The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has arrived, and it's changing the game for portable filmmaking. Let's explore what makes this little camera so special. The standout feature is the massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. This allows for stunning low-light performance and a professional level of detail. In real-world use, this sensor provides beautiful background blur and handles high-contrast scenes with ease, rivaling much larger cameras. Next is the brilliant 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen. It's the perfect size for framing and doubles as the switch for vertical shooting. With a quick flip of the screen, the Pocket 3 is optimized for vertical platforms like TikTok and Instagram, ensuring you never miss a shot. The interface is incredibly snappy, and the screen is bright enough to use comfortably even under the midday sun. For action shots, 4K at 120 frames per second is a dream, allowing you to slow down time while maintaining incredible clarity and resolution. Professional colorists will appreciate the 10-bit D-Log M and HLG modes, providing over 1 billion colors for maximum flexibility in post. These modes ensure your footage fits perfectly into professional workflows, whether you're color grading for a film or a vlog. The 3-axis mechanical stabilization is as smooth as ever, outperforming digital stabilization and keeping your footage rock steady on the move. With ActiveTrack 6.0, the camera intelligently follows your face or objects, so you can focus on the content while it handles the framing. Audio is equally impressive, with a built-in 3-mic array and seamless Bluetooth connection to the new DJI Mic 2 transmitters. When it comes to power, it can charge to 80% in just 16 minutes, providing up to 166 minutes of total recording time. The Osmo Pocket 3 isn't just a small camera. It's a versatile powerhouse that bridges the gap between convenience and professional quality. It's truly professional filmmaking in the palm of your hand, ready for any adventure you can imagine. Thanks for watching this in-depth review. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. The Sony a7 IV is the ultimate hybrid camera, designed to bridge the gap between professional photography and high-end video. It features a new 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, providing massive detail and an impressive 15 stops of dynamic range. Powered by the Bionz XR engine, it delivers the speed and responsiveness found in Sony's flagship Alpha 1. Photographers get 10 frames per second burst shooting with a nearly unlimited buffer when using fast CFX press cards. Low-light performance is exceptional, with a clean ISO range that makes even high-sensitivity shots look professional. Filmmakers get a huge upgrade with 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, offering massive flexibility for color grading. It shoots 4K 30p oversampled from 7K for incredible sharpness, and 4K 60p for smooth motion in Super 35 mode. It includes S-Cinetone for natural skin tones and S-Log 3 for capturing the maximum dynamic range in post-production. The autofocus system is world-class, with 759 phase detection points covering 94% of the sensor area. Real-time IAF now tracks humans, animals, and for the first time in this series, birds, with stunning precision. This advanced tracking works perfectly during video recording, making it the ideal tool for solo content creators. The body has been redesigned with a deeper grip and better weather sealing, ensuring professional reliability in any condition. A major addition is the fully articulating touchscreen, allowing for much more flexible shooting angles and easy vlogging. The upgraded electronic viewfinder offers a smooth 120 FPS refresh rate for a clear, lifelike viewing experience. Sony's new intuitive menu system with full touch support makes navigating settings faster and easier than ever. A dedicated dial lets you switch between stills, movie, and slow-motion modes instantly, keeping your settings separate. For storage, you get dual slots, including support for ultra-fast CFX Press Type A cards to maximize performance. Powered by the reliable Z-Series battery, it delivers long-lasting performance for extended shooting sessions. Connectivity is top tier, with a full-size HDMI port and a fast USB-C port for 10 gigabit data transfers and charging. With access to the world's largest selection of native mirrorless lenses, the creative possibilities are endless. The Sony a7 IV sets a new standard for hybrid performance. It truly is the perfect tool for any modern creator. The Sony a7 IV is truly a camera that can do it all. Thanks for watching our in-depth look. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera lineup has completely changed the game for independent filmmakers. Today, we're looking at the core features that make these cameras so powerful. With high-resolution sensors and 13 stops of dynamic range, these cameras capture incredible detail, delivering a true Hollywood look in a handheld form factor. Dual native ISO provides clean images in low light, while internal Blackmagic RAW recording gives you the ultimate flexibility for color grading in post-production. The large 5-inch touchscreen and professional audio inputs ensure you have everything you need for high-end production right on the camera body. The 6K Pro model adds built-in motorized ND filters and a tilt-adjustable HDR screen, making it a complete all-in-one filmmaking tool. Whether you choose the 4K or the 6K Pro, Blackmagic brings cinematic excellence to your fingertips. Start your next project with the Pocket lineup. The Sony a7C II packs full-frame power into a compact body. Let's look at why this is the ultimate hybrid camera. It features a 33-megapixel sensor and a dedicated AI processing unit for incredible detail and speed in a tiny footprint. The AI-driven autofocus tracks subjects with precision, from people and animals to cars and birds, ensuring you never miss a shot. With 4K 60p video and 10-bit color, it's a powerhouse for filmmakers who need to stay mobile without sacrificing quality. Upgraded 7-stop in-body stabilization means you can leave the tripod at home and still get silky smooth handheld shots. Whether you shoot travel, street, or professional video, the a7C II is built to handle it all effortlessly. It's the best of Sony's technology in their most portable full-frame body yet, a truly impressive tool for any creator. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of the a7C II in the comments. Meet the new GoPro Hero 13 Black, the most powerful and versatile action camera yet. I'm diving into the biggest changes, starting with the incredible new sensor and resolution options. You get stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames and new burst slow-mo at up to 400 frames per second. Mounting is faster than ever with the new magnetic latch and built-in tripod threads. Plus, GPS is back and the larger Enduro battery keeps you recording for much longer. It's still waterproof to 33 feet, making it perfect for every aquatic adventure. The real game changer is the HB series lenses, including ultra-wide, macro, and ND filters. These lenses expand your creativity from immersive POV to stunning close-up shots. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, this is the ultimate tool for capturing your world. The Hero 13 Black is a must-have upgrade. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. The Sony ZV-1 is a compact powerhouse designed specifically for content creators. Today, we're exploring all its key features. It features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS sensor and a bright Zeiss 24 70mm lens, delivering professional image quality in a pocket-sized body. You get beautiful UHD 4K video recording and a built-in ND filter, allowing for cinematic control even in bright daylight. Sony's legendary fast hybrid AF with real-time eye tracking ensures you're always in sharp focus, no matter how much you move. Specific vlogger features like the product showcase setting and the one-touch bokeh switch make it incredibly easy to get pro results. The side flip screen and directional 3-capsule microphone with an included windscreen make it a complete all-in-one vlogging solution. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and plug-and-play webcam capability, it's as versatile for live streaming as it is for on-the-go content. The Sony ZV-1 remains a top choice for creators. Thanks for watching our in-depth feature review. Meet the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, a powerhouse designed for the most demanding professionals. This camera brings a massive leap in speed and intelligence, featuring a brand new 45-megapixel stacked sensor. With 30 frames per second burst shooting and next-gen AI autofocus, you'll never miss a critical moment. For videographers, internal 8K RAW at 60p provides ultimate post-production flexibility and clarity. It even includes professional cinema tools like waveform monitors and improved cooling for longer shoots. The EOS R5 Mark II is truly the ultimate multimedia tool. If you demand the best, this is it. Insta360 has redefined how we capture the world. Let's look at the absolute best of their 2026 lineup in 60 seconds. First, the X5. It's the king of 360, now with 8K resolution and incredible flow state stabilization. For cinematic action, the Ace Pro 2 features Leica optics and a 1.3-inch sensor for stunning low-light shots. The Tiny Go 3S is all about perspective. At just 35 grams, it captures 4K video from anywhere. And the Flow gimbal makes your smartphone a pro camera with AI tracking and a built-in tripod. It's all powered by the Insta360 app, making reframing and AI editing faster than ever before. From 360 power to tiny POVs, Insta360 has it all. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. The Sony a6700 brings flagship full-frame power to a compact APS-C body. Let's look at why it's a game changer for creators. The design is refined with a new front control dial and a fully articulating screen, making it much more ergonomic for both photos and video. Its standout feature is the AI-powered autofocus, inherited from the A7RV, which tracks humans, animals, and vehicles with incredible precision. For video, you get 4K 60p oversampled from 6K, 10-bit 4.2.2 color, and cinematic profiles like S-Cinetone and S-Log3. It also supports 4K 120p for beautiful slow motion, and the 5.5-stop in-body stabilization keeps your handheld shots rock steady. Whether you shoot stills or video, the A6700 is the most capable APS-C camera Sony has ever made. The Sony A6700, the new king of APS-C. Thanks for watching. Sony's ZV-E10 Mark II is finally here, and it's a massive upgrade for content creators. I'm diving into the top features that make this camera a powerhouse for vloggers. It features a new 26-megapixel sensor, delivering the same stunning image quality as Sony's professional FX30. The autofocus is faster than ever, with 759 points and AI-powered tracking that never misses a shot. With an intelligent 3-capsule mic and a larger battery, you can record crisp audio for much longer. The fully articulating screen and vertical UI make it perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. At $999, it's the ultimate upgrade for your creative journey. Subscribe for more tech reviews. Looking for the perfect camera to start your content journey? The Canon EOS R50 might be your best bet. It's incredibly light and compact, making it the perfect companion for vloggers and travelers on the move. With a 24.2-megapixel sensor and DJI X processor, it delivers stunning image quality that far surpasses any smartphone. The advanced autofocus with eye tracking ensures you and your subjects are always sharp, no matter the action. For video, you get uncropped 4K at 30 frames per second and slow-motion Full HD at up to 120p. The fully articulating screen makes it easy to frame yourself, whether you're vlogging or taking high-quality selfies. Plus, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you share your content to your phone and social media in an instant. The Canon EOS R50 is a powerhouse for creators. It's affordable, capable, and ready for your next big project. Welcome to our quick review of the Fujifilm X-T5, the camera that brings back the photography-first philosophy. It's compact, lightweight, and features classic analog-inspired dials that photographers love for their tactile feedback. The heart of this camera is the 40.2-megapixel sensor, delivering unprecedented detail and clarity for APS-C. With 19 built-in film simulations, you get stunning, legendary colors directly in camera without needing to edit. Its AI-powered autofocus tracks everything from eyes to airplanes with incredible speed and precision. Plus, the 7-stop in-body stabilization ensures your handheld shots are sharp even in low light. While it's a stills-focused camera, it also records professional 6.2K and high-speed 4K video. The X-T5 is a masterclass in blending analog soul with digital power. Happy shooting! The Nikon Z8 is here, and it's essentially a Z9 in a smaller, more versatile body. It's 30% smaller than the flagship, making it perfect for handheld shooting and gimbals. Inside, you'll find the same 45.7-megapixel stacked sensor that changed the game in the Z9. That means you get internal 8K 60p and 4K 120p recording with incredible dynamic range. The autofocus is powered by deep learning AI, tracking people, animals, and vehicles with stunning precision. With dual card slots, weather sealing, and a 4-axis tilting screen, it's built for the most demanding pros. It also features 5-axis in-body stabilization, giving you rock-steady shots even without a tripod. The Z8 is the ultimate hybrid tool. Flagship power, compact size, it really is the best of both worlds. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of the Z8 in the comments below. Meet the Fujifilm X-H2S, the camera that redefined speed for the X series. Let's dive in. It features a 26.1-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, delivering data speeds 4 times faster than before. That means 40 frames per second blackout-free shooting, making it a dream for sports and wildlife. For video, it's a beast, recording 6.2K open gate and 4K at up to 120 frames per second for stunning slow motion. With internal ProRes support and 14 stops of dynamic range via F-Log2, it's a true cinematic workhorse. The AI-powered autofocus tracks everything from eyes to planes, ensuring you never miss a shot. Add in 7 stops of in-body stabilization and a weather-sealed build, and you have the ultimate hybrid. The X-H2S is a powerhouse for professionals. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more gear reviews. Welcome! Today we're looking at the Panasonic Lumix GH7, a massive leap forward for Micro Four Thirds video production. It features a new 25.2 megapixel BSI sensor, delivering over 13 stops of dynamic range for incredible detail in every shot. The game changer is the Phase Hybrid AF, providing rock-solid subject tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles. You get internal ProRes RAW recording up to 5.7K and stunning 4K 120p slow motion, all with unlimited recording time. It also introduces 32-bit float audio for perfect levels every time, alongside seamless Frame.io cloud integration. The GH7 is a professional powerhouse in a compact body. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is here, and it's a massive leap forward for hybrid creators. Featuring a brand new 24.2 megapixel sensor, it delivers stunning resolution and incredible dynamic range. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 tracks subjects like horses, aircraft, and racing cars with uncanny accuracy. Shoot at a blistering 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Never miss a moment. Record oversampled 4K 60p video without limits, with professional features like 6K RAW external output. The 5-axis image stabilization gives you up to 8 stops of compensation for rock-steady handheld shots. With improved ergonomics and dedicated photo-video switching, it's designed for effortless performance. Fast, sharp, and reliable, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is the ultimate hybrid tool. Thanks for watching. Insta360 has redefined how we capture the world. Let's look at the absolute best of their 2026 lineup in 60 seconds. First, the X5. It's the king of 360 now with 8K resolution and incredible flow state stabilization. For cinematic action, the Ace Pro 2 features Leica optics and a 1.3-inch sensor for stunning low-light shots. The tiny Geo 3S is all about perspective. At just 35 grams, it captures 4K video from anywhere. And the Flow gimbal makes your smartphone a pro camera with AI tracking and a built-in tripod. It's all powered by the Insta360 app, making reframing and AI editing faster than ever before. From 360 power to tiny POVs, Insta360 has it all. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. The Sony a7S III remains the benchmark for mirrorless video. Let's look at why it's a filmmaker's essential tool. It features a 12.1 megapixel back-illuminated sensor, perfectly optimized for low light and incredible 4K detail. You get UHD 4K at up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit internal recording for ultimate professional quality. The industry-leading autofocus includes 759 phase detection points and sticky real-time eye tracking. With a fully articulating screen and a redesigned menu system, the a7S III is built for the modern creator. Professional I/O like full-size HDMI and improved heat management make it a reliable workhorse for long shoots. While it's not for 8K, for pro-level 4K production, the a7S III is virtually unbeatable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. The Canon EOS R7 is a flagship APS-C mirrorless camera built for speed and resolution. Let's dive into its top features. It features a high-resolution 32.5 megapixel sensor and can shoot at a blistering 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Inheriting tech from the R3, its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 tracks people, animals, and vehicles with incredible precision. With up to 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, you get smooth handheld video and sharp photos in low light. Video creators get uncropped 4K at 60p and professional-grade 10-bit recording for maximum dynamic range. Compact, weather-sealed, and powerful, the Canon EOS R7 is the ultimate tool for enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our review of the Hasselblad X2D 100C. This is a camera that truly redefines what's possible in medium format photography. With its iconic Scandinavian design and milled aluminum body, it's as much a work of art as it is a professional tool. At its heart is a 100 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, delivering incredible resolution and 15 stops of dynamic range. Hasselblad's natural color solution ensures that every hue is captured with breathtaking accuracy and lifelike detail. The Hasselblad X2D 100C is a triumph of engineering for those who demand absolute perfection in every frame. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at a modern masterpiece.